Morning, everybody. So I decided to do a little product review this morning. Why not? And I have here a Vevor welder. If you haven't gone on the Vevor website, I definitely would, especially if you're looking for budget tools. My whole service truck is rigged with Vevor tools. They're cheap and nothing's broke for me yet. Not sponsored, but Vevor, if you're listening, wouldn't say no. But this is the welder here. It is a 4-in-1, I believe, welder. Where is the part number on it? There, no. Where did I put them? Where's that part number? No. But anywho, little Vevor, I think it's a 4 or 5-in-1 welder. I have it set up right now for just gasless MIG welding. This thing is impeccable. It does everything I ask it for to do. You can do the MIG welding, gasless or gas. It comes with the regulator and the hose. Sorry. Yeah, it does come with the regulator. It has all these different plugs because right now I have it for MIG, so you have to plug it, the negative, into the positive terminal, and then your positive goes, no, the power feed into the positive, and then your negative whip. It can be run on both 110 and 220. They supply this adapter. The only thing is, if you run it on 110, it needs to be a 30 amp plug. I've tried it with 15 and it just blows it. But the stick works really well. I don't have the stick whip with me right now. It's in my service truck. But all my welding, I welded, oh, the bucket's the wrong way. I welded this up on it, and I was burning 7016 rods, and it just burnt right through them. Lots of power with it. It's a really good machine. I think it cost me $250 on their website, and they have numerous other models that are probably the same. Let's see here. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. Nope. This is the internals. It shows you, oh, there it is. All the information for it. LED screen. It shows you how to set up for all different welding applications. Oh, and you can do lift TIG with it as well. It doesn't come with the whip. You have to buy that separately. I don't TIG, so I haven't bought it. It comes with the different size feed wheels, 0.8. Focus, 1. Smooth drive wheel, and a ridge drive wheel that comes with 3 of them. I have 1 in there. Your spool, which, oh my god, I need more. I have to buy some more of that today because I gotta do some welding. But this is a great little machine. All LED screen. You can do, it saves what, if you want to save what you've been working on, so you don't have to set it up every time. It has a trigger option where you just click it and it stays running for the MIG until you click it again, so you don't have to hold it the whole time. I don't really use that because I don't do long welds, but you can. It's just a really good machine for its price. Like, if you're going to be doing really thick all day welding, yeah, you should probably get a bigger machine. But for what I use this for, it works great. I love it. So if you guys are needing a small welder, I would definitely look onto the Vevor website and go see what they got. I got it probably within a week when I ordered it. Everything that they said, like, I've gotten it quick, and I'm in Northern Ontario. So it's a really good website. Go over there, check it out. Once again, not sponsored, just really impressed with their website and their customer service. Thanks.